Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Element on mobile. So first that you will do guys is you need to download the application. It will be available on the Google Play Store if you're using an Android and App Store if you are using an Apple. So from here, let's go ahead and go for our Google Play Store, and we can just simply go ahead and search for Element, and it will be available right here. As you can see, it will be Element Classic, and make sure to install it into your phone. Now, once it is done installing, you could just simply go ahead and open it up. And from here, of course, if you have an account, you could just simply select sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. And now I'll just select sign in since I have an account. And from here, I'm just gonna simply log in into my account in order for me to continue. As you can see, you will have multiple options. Continue with Google, GitLab, Facebook, Apple. It's right over here. And pretty much from here, you will just simply select continue, and it will redirect you back to the app. And from here, as you can see, you will just simply select not now over here. And pretty much over here, you should be able to utilize the element on your mobile. It will be just the same like the Discord. And from here, you can do everything you want by creating a space, chatting with people, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.